guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to take my brow videos and make them even simpler. If you're a person that wanted to learn how to do your eyebrows, but it just seemed like all the videos just make it complicated, or you feel like even though you've watched those videos, you still don't get it right, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the simplest, easiest way of how to do your eyebrows. It's really foolproof. So if you want to learn how to do your brows the simplest, easiest way, then keep on watching this video. Okay, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your brows are groomed, of course. And you want to comb your brow out like this. And you want to use a powder. And I already started to pick up the product, but you just kind of want to rub the spoolie in the powder. Dust off the excess, take it and just comb through your brows with it. What's going to happen is that it will give it the most natural fill in you can have. And don't worry if you go over, because you literally can go in and clean it up. So I'm just going to keep doing this until I fill it in how I want it. But do you notice how it's looking really, really natural? So now I'm going to take the angled brush, and this is where you're going to really shape the brow. And because this concealer is very, very close to my skin tone, it's going to make it look really nice. Top, same thing. And you want to do, you can use this concealer on the top part of the brow, because it's literally exact same shade of my skin, so it's not gonna look weird. Or you can also do it with the foundation you will apply on your face. Okay, and that is how you get natural, perfect brow in a simple, easy way. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if this is something that you guys would try, or if you thought that it was simple or easy. And if you do your brows like this and somebody compliments you on how good your brows are looking, remember to tell them Christine from Belize taught you how. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.